Good morning, students. How are all of you? Good. I'm fine too. Thank you. So, like I told you in my last class, that this time, next class, I will be giving you some exercise on interrogative sentences to change from direct to indirect for your practice. The rules that I gave you in the last class, the same you will apply in these. I've just given you a few sentences and you will apply them so that you will see that have you been able to understand them, are you able to do them. So I have given you an exercise of changing from direct to indirect, and with sentences, only interrogative sentences. So let's get started. Now your first sentence is reported speech interrogative sentences. Change to indirect speech. He said, was it raining? He said, was it raining? You can also try along with me. He said will change to he asked. Was, now the question is with was, not with the WH family. So the connector will be good. If bring it here. It was raining. Was raining is past continuous. So past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. He asked if it had been raining. And the question will become a full stop. Question mark will become a full stop. He said, what, was it raining? He asked if it had been raining. Okay, now let's do the second one. He said, have you tried the new plan? He asked. Again, here the question is with have, not with the WH family. So we will use the connector if. If he, bring it here. If he have tried, present perfect, have plus verb in the third form. Tried. So if he had tried the new plan. And full stop. He said, have you tried the new plan? He asked if he had tried the new plan. Next sentence, number 3, the doctor said, what is your problem? The doctor asked. Now here the question is with WH family, what? So what only remains the connector. The doctor asked what? Bring the your problem, bring it here. What his problem is will become, is a simple present, it will change to simple past. Is will change to was and full stop. The doctor said, what is your problem? The doctor asked what his problem was. Simple. He said, why did you fight with him? He asked. Why will become why only here because it is a WH question. Why did you fight with him? Bring you here. Why he did we will remove did and fight with simple present, and second form of fight is fight, fought. Why he fought with him. If do and did come in the sentence, we have to remove them because they are asking questions, and we have to remove them so that we can make, and we have to change it into the second form of the verb, past. Fight is present, fought V1 and fought is V2. So he said, why did you fight with him? He asked why he fought with him. Next, the cook said, when would you like breakfast? The cook asked. Now again here the question is with WH family. So the cook asked, when will remain when? Bring the you here. When he would. Would remains would, no change. When he would like breakfast. If it was will, then we would have changed to would. But would remains would. So the cook asked, when would you like breakfast? The cook asked when he would like breakfast. The last one, he said, did anyone pick my bag? He asked Now here the question is with did, not with the WH family. So we'll use the connector if or whether. If asked, if anyone pick is simple this thing, but it is did anyone. So it is simple past. Simple past changes to past perfect. So what will it be? If anyone had picked my bag will become his bag, because it is using did. Okay, did is do, did done. Did is the second form of the verb. That means it is simple past. So simple past will change to past perfect. So he said, did anyone pick my bag? He asked if anyone had picked his bag. So students, I gave you of interrogative sentences using WH family and others, and the rules that we had learned and applied, that we are applying here again. So to give you more practice. Okay, so kindly do these sentences, do more practice. You can find your exercises in your grammar books and you can try these, use them with these rules, do all interrogative sentences, so you will be totally clear and all your doubts. And if still you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box and I will give you more exercises. Okay, whenever students want, I will surely give you more exercises so that you can, and also explain and solve them so that you can understand and do them. Okay students, so today my class was an exercise of interrogative sentences from direct to indirect. I hope it is clear to all of you. So don't forget, thank you all of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and do write in the comment box too. Thank you so much and God bless all of you.